All right, everybody. We're going to be working with the back problem set on page 124 for this lesson. And we're going to be working with still decomposing mixed numbers, but we're going to be subtracting and finding the difference in two different ways. In small group, you learned how to do it as a number line, using a number line to help you count up and subtract. We are going to be using number bonds to decompose and subtract. So let's do this first one together, and you're going to kind of pick it up as we go. So B, 1 3/6, subtract 4/6. Well, that's just not going to work for us. It's not very friendly. So let's break this up, this whole, into an improper fraction where we can subtract it easily. And you're going to see what I'm going to do here. This denominator, 6, that's way too thick of ink. Boom, there we go. Cool. So this 6 here, that denominator is telling me that the whole is 6/6. Boom, that's the whole. Okay? Now, the rest of the fraction, 3/6, I'm going to put it down right here. All right? And now when I add them and combine them, it's going to equal the improper fraction of 6 plus 3 is 9, and we have 9/6 here. All right? Now that we have this friendly fraction, this improper fraction, fraction greater than 1, now we can subtract it with 4/6 because the denominators are the same. Look at that. Whoop, whoop. Denominators are the same. We can subtract them. So let's go with 9/6 subtract 4/6, and we can solve that. I mean, that is some simple subtraction that we can solve. So 9 subtract 4, that is 5, and the denominator stays the same at 5/6. There's our answer. Perfect. All right, let's try C. Let's try C together, and I can work on C. You can pause the video if you feel confident now, check your answer, but let's do C together one more time. So we're going to break this fraction up. We're going to break that fraction. We're going to decompose it into a fraction greater than 1 or an improper fraction, what it used to be called. And let's do it. So this 8, this denominator is telling me the whole is 8/8. And 6/8 remains. All right, let's add them. And we're going to get that improper fraction. 8 plus 6 is 14. And we get 14/8. All right, now we can subtract 14/8, and we're going to subtract it with 7/8. They have the same denominator, so we can do it. Boom. All right, and this will equal 7/8. All right. Try D and try E on your own. Pause this video and solve the equation, decompose each fraction and mixed number, and check your answers once you can. All right, now that you have, now you can check your answer. So I'm going to go through this pretty quickly. Now remember, to find the whole of the mixed number, I'm going to look at the denominator. The denominator is 10, so I easily know that my whole is 10/10. Boom. All right. What's left over is that 1/10. I'm going to add them to get the improper fraction, and, well, guess what? It's 11/10. All right. Now I'm going to subtract 11/10 with 7/10, and we'll get the remaining. So let's do it. So 11/10 subtract 7/10, and I will have 4/10 as my answer. All right. Let's do the last one together. Let's do E. Remember, the denominator is 12, so I know that my whole is going to be 12/12. All right. And 3/12 is what remains. And when we add them, we're going to get the improper fraction, or the fraction greater than 1. And we now can subtract 15/12, and we can subtract 6/12. So let's do it. 15/12, subtract 6/12, and we're going to get 9/12. All right, there we go. And that is using the number bond to decompose mixed numbers back to fractions greater than 1, or improper fractions. Okay, you can use this video to help you with your math homework tonight. It's going to be pretty much the same thing that you saw in class. All right, have a great day.